Changing your payout method on Windscribe is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Windscribe website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Payout to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In your account settings, look for a tab or option labeled Payment Methods or Billing. Click on this to view your current payout method and available options for changes. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Review the list of available payout methods. Select the one you wish to use for future transactions. Make sure to read any associated terms or conditions before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new payout method, ensure you save the changes. You may need to confirm your choice through an email verification or by entering additional information. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Windscribe's customer support for assistance.